I'm Rachel from Slipstick, and I'd like to introduce you to Slipstick's premium furniture risers. This is the 2-inch or 50mm set of 4 furniture risers, and they also come in a 3-inch or 75mm size. Slipstick's premium risers are super heavy duty with a 660 pound or 300 kilo rating each, plus a new steel reinforced top plate. The base features rubber dimples to protect floors and stop movement, and the top contains a foam insert to hold and cushion castors and legs. To install, simply raise the bed on each side and slide underneath. This is easier done with 2 people. The risers create extra storage space and raise the bed height for ease of getting in and out. They're perfect for raising low furniture to an ergonomic height to assist the elderly or infirm. The 2-inch riser elevates a low sofa, achieving added height for a vacuum robot. All Slipstick risers are backed by our 5-year warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.